want every side to come together to attempt to take down the 100 side.
Man, they gotta understand.
We want all the smoke.
We go off the content.
Three, two, one. Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we keep it real. No capping. I'm your host, bringing you nothing but straight fire and authenticity. Today, we're diving into 12 rooms that I got to promote. The 100 ENT showroom, hosted by Big Wack100. The Beehive room. Love and R&B room, hosted by the queen of the 100 side, R&B. No room for the weak. No mercy room. Spin the block room. 100 ENT Jailbreak Squad room. 100 ENT South room. Petty Betty and Toxic Tanya room. Dangerous Minds room, hosted by Beast. Good Burger, hosted by Pitbull. Sleepless in LA, and many more. If you want to get closer or you want to be a part of the show, go to Clubhouse, follow one of these rooms, or you look for a room titled with Wack100. These particular videos all made possible by the one and only Wack100. Get ready to vibe with me as we explore the hardest topics that need some real recognition in the streets. Let's jump right into it and show some love to this channel by hitting the like and or subscribe button. So, without further ado, hold it down. One mic on Wack.
This the nigga.
Nigga named Big T, Big Tuna, huh?
How the fuck this nigga get a OG 100 PTR though, man? Who made this nigga a PTR, man?
He probably did some shit.
Man, this nigga didn't put no work in to get that PTR, man.
That ain't an original.
I caught him and Rosetta in the private.
Oh, that's crazy.
Rosetta?
Row? Act like I didn't see.
That did not happen.
Rosetta, that's wild.
This would
we knew you had something going on.
Hey, Big T, I was about to say you from the Bay.
Oh, see, that's crazy.
Oh, Ro, this what you doing out here now?
See that? You see
Where he
that?
from?
Hey, that's why he got the 100 PTR.
You don't know where he's from. You know where he's from.
Rosetta made on the PTR. That's what it is.
I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. I caught him in the private.
Nah, he wasn't in no private.
Oh,
you trying to say you was just about it on the stage like that? You didn't even have to hit the private.
Man, I just,
You just what? You just what, Big T?
Same old story. Heard it on YouTube a couple of years ago, and I, decided to come on Clubhouse.
So you heard Rosetta's voice a few years ago. You identified with her, and that's how you got
her.
No.
Same old story. I mean,
there it go.
Hey, Ro, I'm gonna leave him alone. Y'all say I'll be running the mails off, so I'm gonna leave him alone.
Yeah, we're gonna fall back.
You got it, Ro.
Salute to Ro, new boo, Big T.
Salute to Ro.
Y'all hella funny. No, when I'm married. Don't do that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Not do that.
Stoney B got all the fans. You might need to pin her link up top. Stoney got
What?
Stoney,
burning pancakes.
I'm probably older than everybody on the stage, man. That's why
you ain't probably older than everybody on OnlyFans, man. Because I've been old for a long time.
No, OnlyFans.
The whole time she doing her thing. She's crazy.
And look, you see where she sparked it? That's the beginning of the blunt.
Googling pancakes.
Tell that bitch to make them pancakes golden. Bluffy and go to pancake. Stop burning them.
He said he don't want them to look like the bottom of an English muffin.
She said, "What you do with pancakes?" She said, "You dip her in syrup." That's what she said.
Dunkables.
No.
Hey, Stoney, remember I told you about them lips? Remember I told you they was bustable?
Hey, yo, so, so Devious.
What up, Wack?
Yeah, we on you now, Devious.
Anything about the art, the puffy description of the setup? Are you familiar with any of these designs of the setup that we've been hearing about, Devious?
Absolutely. I was in there setting them up for him.
Look.
AKA Capricorn.
Yo, here go the cold part about Devious. She's so cool and laid back. Y'all forgetting, Devious got a wife. Devious a cold freak. Devious got a wife.
Jack, I'm not playing with you this morning. How y'all doing this morning, Wack? How are you? I see you are
What
on
up, Devious?
complete violence this morning.
What up, Devious?
Oh shit, y'all.
How y'all doing this morning?
Oh shit. God damn it. Yo, I seen some niggas from the Bay. He better stop playing. He down there harassing the women on Fig. Do he not know what they'll do to him for that? The nigga drove down from the Bay and he walking up and down Fig harassing the hoes, the prostitutes.
Oh, he tripping.
Yeah,
True.
some nigga that was on. I seen it on Instagram.
Well, there's a lot of young little niggas doing that right now.
He better stop that. They hurt him over there doing that with them hoes. Like he was like, oh, so this what Fig is, where we from. This. He like come here, like he was running up on them. They was trying to get away from him. I said, yeah, they gonna. People telling him, hey, bro, that ain't the place to do that. Cause you got the gangbang pimps now.
You definitely got that for sure. They done intermingled all them young niggas out there. You talking about something on Fig?
Yeah, some nigga up north from the Bay, he down there harassing the hoes on Fig. I said, yeah.
Oh yeah, he better stop playing, nigga. You know who over there? Fig. Listen, you can't even do nothing on Fig right now because there's some shit going on. So whoever doing that, bro, you better leave that shit alone, bro.
Them niggas that come out there tripping. But these days they do so much silly shit for content for the clout. They do way out shit these days. They don't give a. As long as they can go viral, they cool with it.
When you start seeing that real change, like when do you feel you really niggas start like chasing clout?
When that little dude, what's that little weirdo, who was going to niggas' graves and shit,
Black Boy or
Gaston nigga?
Yeah. When he started, he was one of the first ones I seen just doing. Say, yeah, he like I'm by any means necessary. He done had his ass whooped. He done had all.
You seen him whoop his ass in the back of that car?
Gangaton. They didn't call that nigga Gangaton while he was doing Amazon. They caught that nigga.
Yeah, niggas going in niggas' neighborhoods, crossing out they dead on. Like he's just doing anything to get a look. If you think about it, what you know him from, that's it. And it wasn't the nigga went and found Nipsey's grave and violated.
He definitely did.
Yeah, like you gotta ask yourself, nigga, for what? Huh? Why make the shit so tight? I don't know. It's probably like anything else, the machines. Probability is gonna have a few. They not gonna be all the way right. Yeah. You ask yourself, damn nigga, why the nigga drove by one nigga's spot, just fired some shots.
Yeah, the nigga was standing outside. He's like,
there too.
The nigga just stood there like.
Yeah,
he said, I just busted at you. I just busted. He said, bro, you shot one time, bro. Come back.
But the crazy part about it is you ask yourself, like, why is dude on? Like, what you on? For what? Just for the attention? That's it. That's why he doing it.
Yeah, putting yourself in that much danger because nigga, you playing. Now everybody know your name too. Come on now.
Ain't the nigga last name like McWeenie or some shit like that?
I don't know. Hey, that's enough. Hey, listen, you gonna have to be gone by 11. The R&B gonna be back. You hear me? You get dressed right now in case you gotta crawl out the window. Hey, bro, when I be doing that shit, her DMs be lighting up. People be telling on me like shit's hilarious. Wack said he got somebody over there.
The man said he thought the rapper wanted him there.
Who?
You saw that? Breaking news.
What rapper? Man, that's Raquel from TMZ because she don't like Tory.
Oh, it wasn't TMZ that reported.
I know. We just call her that. That's her story. She don't like Tory.
Oh no, somebody just reported it on. Oh,
she sent me that shit early this morning. That's why she's mad because you know I'm gonna debunk it. Tory flipped out on her in the interview.
Oh, so that little shit that popped up earlier was some fake shit?
Bumpy. Have you not been to prison?
I definitely have, and I'm definitely.
How you just stabbed a nigga 14 times and you on a cell phone on the yard still? Come on, bro.
Definitely not happening.
That nigga's in the hole. Like I told her this morning, I said, hey, you talk to a Mexican. It just wasn't that Mexican. He's in the hole.
I wonder if they took the yard off lockdown now. You think it's been long enough? Or you think they know something gonna happen so they just still got it down?
I don't know. I'll call in there and see. Got a few homies on that yard, but she was like, she said, the DA hasn't picked the case up yet. I said, that has nothing to do with the 115 in the hole. So this whoever you talk to.
Nothing to do with that 115.
In the hole, you going to the hole. Like.
And you got to go to court again, and you got a whole bunch of shit you finna go through. It's finna be a whole thing.
Yeah, so. But she's Mama, I got enough. I'm cool.
I'm talking about me.
You always talking about you.
Oh my God.
Man, that's crazy. Just go to the concert today. Go to the concert.
You jealous?
What?
You jealous?
Yep. Go on. You and them other little floozies you going with. Yeah. Yeah. Go take a picture like 1987 looking back with your hands on your hip. Why you don't? I told she was so mad. I said, yo, there's no way you're talking to the niggas in the hole. It's a nigga in the background laughing. Yeah, they understand. I said, he's in the hole. Like, do you know what would happen to that hole for this nigga doing an interview? Man, they will flip that upside down.
So that's where they getting it from. They got a fake interview.
Yeah, she don't realize it's a fake interview. She probably didn't pay for it, but she don't like Tory. The narrative is Tory stabbed him. She don't even get that they playing on her.
Is she black or is she Hispanic?
Black. She don't like Tory though.
Oh, that's some buster shit then. Cause right now she don't even realize she got them niggas thinking they gold and
She'll figure it out in a minute. She says he only says he's gonna be in a hole a year to 18 months. I said, shit. This is second sticking. Woman, this is high profile. He going to the shoot for the 36 to the 60 for sure.
36 to the 60 what, month?
Yeah. For sure. This is second sticking. The niggas doing the interview, you hear niggas in the background laughing and all that shit.
Hey, OG.
Yo.
Man, this nigga Joey Badass got these East Coast niggas hyped, don't he?
I downplayed the shit out of that shit.
Man, that shit
You
had me. You know that shit had me hot yesterday.
Well, here go the thing. I'm gonna be real. Looking at it, it ain't nobody. Kendrick ain't gonna respond because it don't make sense. Game ain't gonna respond because it don't make sense. It's nobody in that middle era here to respond.
Wack, did you see YG said a little something in that new song?
YG can't respond. He can't out rap nobody. YG's know how to make songs. He ain't a rapper like that.
Yeah, he threw a
Yeah.
little shot though, Devious. I heard that shit. He said something about Joey not gonna like this or something.
Joey Badass gonna hate this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he just riding off some pig. YG can't.
Yeah, and that song was ass.
Yeah, you know.
YG looking for a second win.
You gotta remember, YG come from the skinny jean era. Cali swag, the jerk, yeah.
Remember TF30 them niggas was around there? Yep, you right. The jerk.
That nigga is a club songwriter. He not a rapper.
Nah, he ain't. He can make some songs, but he ain't.
I ain't gonna lie, Bumpy. Geechee Gotti said it best though, because it was 20 niggas trying to jump him. That shit made it look crazy, like, and nobody really smoked him. So like, it just looked like you got
It wasn't 20
every type.
niggas. It was just 20 niggas that want to be rappers,
Exactly.
and they did what they supposed to do. Nigga trying to hold on, nigga. Maybe I might get a mention.
Yep.
They lucky I'm the one went at it with act behind that shit.
But
Man, I had to dance around that shit, addressing it without addressing it.
Yeah, you downplayed the shit out of that.
Didn't I? Hey, bro. What I did was I bluffed the nigga. I had a gun with no bullets. He just know I'm a shooter. I kept gripping up.
He didn't even catch the reverse troll because when we listening, he like, watch, I'm gonna get whacked to do this, I'm gonna get whacked to say this. Whole time you don't even know you're getting trolled, trying to troll, bro.
Nigga, the whole time. I was like, what this nigga think he about to do?
like, nigga, you just started trolling? Nigga, we was already here 20 minutes ago.
We been trolling.
Hey, nigga, we been on Clubhouse for 5 years. Nigga, we know a troll when we hear
Nigga
one.
been trolling. Listen, I already knew I ain't got no win with that, right? I knew that. Because I'm seeing niggas was disappointed whatever Daylight did. I'm watching our own people talk about it, right? So I knew wasn't no win with it. So I just downplayed it all the way. I hit him. I said, tell me the name of the song. Yeah, well, like I said, tell me the name of the song. Like I said, hey, tell me the name of Drake's song. Oh, boom. See how you know the name of that, but you don't know the name of that? Because it's, bro, we don't hear it. Stops at Tulsa, Oklahoma. It didn't make it all the way to the West.
Yeah, he didn't like that part. He didn't like that part. Crazy the nigga think we ain't got no lyrical rappers over here.
The funny part about that, Bumpy, is he had to go all the way to Jadakiss. He couldn't mention nobody new.
He couldn't listen. He couldn't go say Didi Osama, Dusty Locane, Pop Smoke, Sugar Hill, D Dot. None of them bloody. None of them. He didn't know none of that.
He went with the Jadakiss shit because he wanted me to diss Jadakiss to get all the people on his side. I spun him with that. I said Jadakiss is here for all of us. What you mean? We all fuck Jadakiss.
Yeah, him up.
I can't think as fast as me. He good at what he do, but he can't do that shit with me. And then if we going deep down in the rabbit hole, I'll be like, hey, we can't talk about this, bro. You a 2015 nigga, bro. Like, you know, you wasn't even around back then.
Nah, you said you called him that unk nigga. That shit was funny.
The 607 unk shit.
Hey, that's why I used that shit earlier. That's exactly why, because you called that nigga that yesterday.
What was it? You mixed it?
Shout out
I
to
ain't gonna.
AK yesterday. He got some shout outs, boy.
Hey, AK got
Definitely.
a shout out like
He was like, nigga, we could do New Jersey. Nigga, I said, well, everything he tried to use, I embraced it. He didn't know what to do.
hey Wack, you hit that nigga with the Philly shell, man. Like you just
He didn't
ducking
know
it,
what
hit him with the box.
he didn't know what to do because I'm trying. And then he played right into it because I'm trying to get him away from the Joey Badass conversation. He was supposed to stay on it, and he bit.
He got spin trying to spin.
Yo, people was really mad at me. The nigga Hassan Campbell was mad that I did the sit down with Charles White. That nigga did a little 15-minute clip. He didn't even know I don't even think he knew what he was talking about. That nigga said, Wack100, could you let Nipsey Hussle rest in peace? Nigga, you the one released the audio.
Is that what that audio was you dropped in the chat?
It might have been yesterday, yeah.
Nah, this was one you dropped this morning. It had been like 2:30 in the morning.
Nah, this was yesterday. I don't know what Oh, no, that was somebody called. You know, some of the crank callers, I record them. And I just put it up. I recorded that little shit they got on the iPhones now. A lot of them, I'll be like, I'm going to record you. We're going to put you up. Somebody calls and tell us who you are. They hang up. But these two from Milwaukee, they wanted to talk. 2 in the morning. A nigga let his call me at 2 in the morning. He in the background giggling. Yeah, so I just play it live, and then they go to YouTube streets, and somebody hear them. They usually tell us who it is. So, baby, you need me to go get you anything for the night? You sure? Okay. Make sure you're on time. You got a parking pass, or y'all riding together? Okay. Hey, you want me to chauffeur you, or? Just want to make sure you get there.
I want to be able to leave.
I want to make sure you get there. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure you get there, girl. You know, I got to take my phone to the shop at about 7:30.
Don't try to ruin my night.
Hey, yo, why they get bad when you be really supporting where they about to go?
Cause y'all be extra petty.
Petty how?
Is there anything you need me to get you before you go out?
Somebody, I want to make sure you get there.
And he's sincere, but you can tell, like, no, I'm cool.
I didn't hear an ounce of sarcasm, facetiousness, or none of that. What I heard was a man of concern making sure.
You would have.
Bro, listen, because it's positivity. Hey, OG, all I heard was positivity in what you said, and I'm learning from what you doing.
Man, Bumpy, shut the fuck up.
I'm not supposed to be support. Listen, I want to make sure you know what's the problem.
What if he was one of them type of guys that was like, no, you can't go? Then you would be saying, oh, he's running her life. She doesn't have to do. She can't do anything.
If he told her that,
she need to leave.
Listen, but the law was for his woman to go have fun. That was the law right then and there.
And Bumpy, he said that. Nobody demonized him for what he said.
You just tried to demonize the homie and make it seem like he was being facetious.
Spell it.
Facetious. Fecious.
It's wrong. It's You know what? I'm not talking to you
Hey,
no
don't
more.
spell nothing to that dark
We're not
skinned girl,
friends.
bro.
Shut up,
She's
you
not even
black,
dark
you
skinned.
fiend. Shut up.
She's definitely dark skinned.
Oh, she out here skin fishing in her PTR is what you saying?
Not too
He's
much on the
mad
dark
because
Definitely.
skin
the
girls,
sun
though.
glazed
Not too
over this
much.
You
black skin
they
so
said
good
you
that
melon they
it.
said you melanin fishing, man.
I don't care. I'm black as it don't matter.
No, you ain't black as you your PTR got you looking like Ari Fletcher like
Yeah, sure it does. Sure it does.
It does, though.
Skin fishing is insane.
Nobody be saying nothing when these niggas be fishing, but I'm back on mute.
Oh,
What is that? I ain't never heard that. What the fuck is a fishing? What the
Never
fuck?
heard of skin fishing either, Wack. So shit, me and you in
Oh,
the same boat.
Skin fishing is when you act like your skin tone is one color, but it's really another color. That's what we call
And
skin
fishing
fishing.
is when you act like you got a big, but really you got a Peter Weeder.
oh, they saying your
Shrimp camp.
PTR. They're saying you're lighter and your skin tone is lighter. Well, I've learned that a lot of that comes from light. Y'all take
Can't
pictures, but
tell
then some of
niggas.
y'all be doing some filters. So if you like 5 shades darker than what your PTR is, that's probably what they talking about.
Well, I always encourage people to go to the IG, scroll, look at how I really present myself. You feel me? So I don't really never be worried. It don't never bother me. I'm black, so it don't matter.
So because you said that, you thought that gives you a pass or what?
I can do what I want because it's my phone and it's my pictures, and
I'm
I'll
just
do
trying to
what I
figure
want.
out like how you gonna say like, oh, it's because I'm this color, like, so it's because I'm white. I could say what I want.
But
Like
you're
that's
not
how you
white. You're
feel.
biracial. You're not white.
But at the same time, we don't use that to justify how we are though. Like on some real shit, like you
Who is
can't use that
we?
to. No, I'm saying that you can't use that as a crutch for yourself. Like, oh, it's because I'm this, and I'm gonna use that as a crutch.
What crutch?
You're the one that brought it up.
But
See what I'm saying?
I see old Jazz still.
Shit, you see that
Yeah, I
shit?
see that shit. She still following.
Hey, yo, Pitt, you still got it?
Ah, look at it. He's still
Man,
following
look at you, beast.
Look at that.
Oh shit, y'all. Keep raising your hand for it,
Who keep
nigga.
dropping me, man?
Nigga, get down, nigga. Hit the link at the top.
It's that time.
This nigga-
Yeah, love. This shit finna go crazy. This shit finna go crazy.